name is Ari. I'm in the Digital Marketing Communications program. I like to play video games, anime, listen to a lot of K-pop as well. I'm also the student president, co-president of Algonquin College Esports. The reason why I chose Algonquin was because of the atmosphere in the community. I started with game development for about a year and a half, and then I transitioned over to digital marketing afterwards, which was a better fit for me overall. The professors are amazing in my opinion because they are very responsive, they get back to me real quickly, and they also have a very upbeat and bubbly personality. So the first year that I had so far was a lot of understanding like theory about media in general, the history of media and understanding media as a whole. My second year is going to like more like hands-on software in terms of digital marketing itself. My favorite part about Algonquin College would be the community and the events, hosted every single week, and it's one of the most enjoyable experiences I've had so far. If you're thinking about coming to Algonquin College, be open to challenges, be open to taking risks. The way that my program will help me in my career would be to build relationships and to market myself and my brand as a whole in my career going forward. Algonquin College has given me the confidence to pursue my career and my passions. I'm going to build my brand and become the best version of myself.